Sachin is actually asking, how do I maintain myself as distinct from all these objects? And this question comes to him in context of the activity who am I? यही बात है? Our little confusion, more or less. Many of us would still not be clear with what he is really asking. What he is really asking is, when I did who am I, it became clear to me that we have a tendency to be identified with whatever object is around us. That object could be a thought, could be a friend, could be a calculator, could be some relative, could be a dream, anything. We have a tendency to get attached, and this kind of attachment is called identification, right? A very recent example of that is, as soon as I entered, I wanted to alert you to the fact that when you are writing about the HIDP, do not lose sight of yourself. Otherwise, it is very possible that you start thinking of the HIDP and lose sight of yourself. It is the same process of identification, of getting hooked on to the object and forgetting who I am. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So for this exact reason, I had cautioned you. Now, Sachin has raised a direct question. What do I do when that happens? What do I do when that happens? I am assuming that I know when it happens. To ask the question that what do I do when it happens is to assume that I am aware when it is happening. My question to all of you is, are we aware when it really happens? Are we aware when it really happens? You are indulged in gossiping with a friend. Are you aware at that moment that you are gossiping? Are you really aware? But then why should I take a far off example? Why can't I take an example right from the present? At this moment, at this very moment, some of us would be wandering outside the classroom. Some of us would be busy thinking 1,000 thoughts. I have been speaking since the last 5 minutes now. Is there anybody here who has done nothing else but hear me? Is there anybody here who has done nothing, who has been doing nothing but hearing? Is there anybody here who is doing nothing except hearing? ईमानदारी से देखिएगा, हम में से ऐसा एक भी नहीं होगा जिसने 5 मिनट में सुनने के अलावा कुछ भी न किया हो. For some fraction of time, we might have been listening, but for a significant fraction, we have been busy with so many other things. आप में से कितने लोग इस बात को पकड़ पा रहे हैं कि पिछले 5 मिनट में आप मात्र सुन ही नहीं रहे थे, बहुत कुछ और था जो आप कराए मानसिक रूप से. The truth of the matter is, even when I am speaking to you, I am not only speaking. मैं भी कुछ कराया. तो आप अकेले नहीं हैं, मैं भी आपके साथ. Now, when that was happening right now, were we aware that this is happening? मैंने अभी आपसे बोला कि मैं भी कुछ कराया, और आप में से कईयों के मन में मुझे लेके कल्पनाएं आ गई थी. किस किस को लेके आ गई थी? हाँ बताइए. आ गई थी. आपको पता था कि आ रही हैं, वो बस आ गई. करेक्ट? कई लोग जो वैसे थोड़े उम्मीदें हो रहे थे, थोड़ी सी पाँव पटकने की आवाज़ आई तो बस ऐसे गर्दन उठा के देखा ये क्या हुआ। ये जो गर्दन उठी ये आपकी अनुमति लेके उठी। For this action to happen, first of all, an impulse would have been generated in the mind, right? A subtle thought. Did that thought take your permission before coming? Did that thought take your permission before coming? Whatever thoughts have been coming to you over the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, do they take permission before coming? When you are talking of identification with objects, any identification is a thought. Do not ask what to do to prevent that identification. Can you prevent something that you are not aware of? Can you prevent something that you do not understand at that very moment? जो काम आपकी नजरों में आए बिना हो रहा है उसको आप रोक भी कैसे पाओगे? क्योंकि ये कोई घर नहीं है कि मैं भले नहीं हूं पर मैंने ताला लगा दिया तो कोई घुस नहीं सकता। ये मन है, यहाँ कोई ताले नहीं लग सकते। यहाँ बस एक काम हो सकता है कि जो कुछ हो रहा है मुझे उसका पता है कि हो रहा है। So there is no way to prevent this identification, this attachment with objects, thoughts or desires, this being lost in hopes can only be understood right now. आपको इसकी टेक्निक पूछेंगे तो टेक्निक कुछ नहीं है। टेक्निक यही है कि जब आप सुन रहे हो, did your head take your permission to turn that way? Really? Now see, somebody comes and he creates a noise, and we are like machines that the moment a particular sound is heard, you know there are phones available these days that respond to sound. You would be aware, right? There are many instruments, many instruments of all kinds that respond to sound, correct? आप जानते हैं ना, even laptops respond to sound. Now what is the difference between that machine and our reaction? We also reacted to sound. Does the laptop really understand why it is reacting to a particular sound? Does the laptop understand? Did you understand why you reacted that way to that sound? So how are we different from a machine? The key is to be aware at that very moment. अब मैं आपको 5 किताबें पढ़ा दूँ अवेयरनेस के बारे में तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा अगर उस मोमेंट पे आपने इस बात को पकड़ा नहीं कि आई एम जस्ट रिएक्टिंग लाइक अ डेड मशीन, that there is no understanding of the process and that understanding cannot happen later on. अब ये नहीं हो सकता कि अब आप जो 5 मिनट पहले की घटना थी अब आप उसके बारे में सोच के निष्कर्ष निकाल लें ना। जीवन अभी है, उसी मोमेंट में होता है। अब आप रिएक्ट कर गए तो कर गए, that moment is gone. अब आप उसके बारे में सोचते रहो, विचारते रहो और आप बहुत सारा ज्ञान इकट्ठा कर लो उसके बारे में, अब उससे कुछ नहीं होगा। Are you getting it? The key is to understand it, to catch it then and there. I had a session with your seniors in the morning and the last question that they asked me was, sir बहुत अच्छा लगा, बात समझ में आ गई सारी, अब ये भी बता दीजिए कि इस बात को इस कमरे से बाहर कैसे पकड़ के रखें। यहाँ तो सब ठीक लग रहा है और बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, पर हमें ये भी पता है कि हम बाहर निकलेंगे और सब भूल जाएगा। That is our tragedy. It does not matter that you make plans about awareness, and it does not matter if you are conducting retrospective assessments on awareness. न तो उसके बारे में सोच के कुछ होगा कि अब मैं अवेयर रहा करूँगा और न उस घटना के बारे में बाद में सोच के कुछ होगा कि काश मैं अवेयर होता। जो भी कुछ करा जा सकता है वो तभी हो सकता है जब घटना घट रही हो। और घटना कब घट रही है? घटना कब घट रही है? अभी। तो बड़े मजे की बात है कि आप जीवन में जो भी कुछ कर सकते हो ठीक अभी कर सकते हो, वरना नहीं हो सकता। इसका मतलब जो है वो बहुत फार रीचिंग है। इसका मतलब ये है कि ठीक इस समय हम में से जो लोग सपनों में खोए हुए हैं वो करीब करीब मुर्दा हैं। हम में से वो लोग जो ठीक इस वक्त कुछ सोचने में लगे हुए हैं वो करीब करीब यंत्रवत व्यवहार कर रहे हैं, जस्ट लाइक अ मशीन, अ प्रोग्राम मशीन। Only the one who is into it is alive. Only the one who is aware right now is alive. Not the one who was aware 2 minutes back. Not the one who has grand plans about being aware 10 minutes later. Only the one who is attentive right now is alive. Others are all machines. Others are all machines. Is that very clear? Very, very directly clear to us.